Approved methods for underground wiring for fire pumps outside the building, according to the National Fire Protection Association 20, include direct burial, rigid metal conduit or RNC or intermediate metal conduit or IMC, and Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride or PVC conduit. Concrete encased wiring involves RNC or INC installed in concrete with a minimum cover of 2 inches. Other methods include approved cable raceways, cable bus, and underground duct systems. Schedule 40 PVC is not approved for underground wiring of fire pumps. Only Schedule 80 PVC conduit is approved. In addition to the approved methods, there are extra requirements that may apply. Firstly, conduit size must be sufficient to accommodate all conductors, including spare conductors. Secondly, underground warning tape must be installed 12 inches above the conduit to alert excavation workers to the presence of electrical wiring. Thirdly, for concrete encased installations, the conduit must be protected against corrosion by using a corrosion-resistant coating or wrapping. Fourthly, the conduit must be installed at a grade that prevents water from accumulating inside. Fifthly, underground wiring must be inspected and tested prior to energizing. Finally, adequate access must be provided for future maintenance and repair.